Are you seeing water issues in your basement or crawl space? Wet carpet, moisture coming through walls, a heaving basement floor, wet soil, or musty smells in your crawl space are all signs your home doesn't have proper moisture control and mitigation. And if these problems continue, they may lead to more serious foundation problems. Liftech, a Colorado-owned and operated company, uses state-of-the-art drainage, encapsulation systems, and sump pumps to keep your home's basement or crawl space dry. Call Liftech today for a free estimate to solve your moisture issues for good.